So I'm on the New Jersey side of the Hudson River today. Came out this morning. Don't have too much time to fish, so I just threw my poles out already. Just wanted to get them out in the water. Where I am right now, I think this is like Weehawken, Jersey City. This is the pier where the ferry drops you off. This Lincoln Harbor, maybe. I don't know if you can see over there. If you look up this way, that's Hudson Yards right there. Rest of Midtown over there. Chelsea Piers is like right here. That's where I caught the shark the first time. You got downtown right there, and then this beautiful boat. So I've had some success here before. I hope I have some again today. I went out last night and got completely skunked on the East River, so I wanted to come get my revenge this morning. So oh. What are you? Got him. An eel, probably. It's not that heavy. It must be something kind of small. The fight's not amazing. Something. Maybe it's a. Yeah. It's not. I don't think it's the biggest. Oh. It's the larger version of that ugly dogfish I caught back in where was it? When I was on Battery Park. All right, I gotta get my pliers for this guy.
Can I take this price?
Oh, you can take a picture, sure, yeah.
Thank you.
But hopefully not too long. We'll want to put it back in the water.
Thank you.
Yep, yep. All right, buddy. Oh, no. Sorry about that. It's not fighting. There's no fight. It's heavy, though. Oh, there's a little bit of a fight. Okay, what is this? What? Okay. See if I can get a little bit better. Oh, what? I get the feeling it's the same type of fish. It feels exactly the same.
Yeah, but something different.
Oh, it's the same thing. I hope not. Let's see. Oh, same fish. Maybe it's the same one. It might be the same guy. Oh, all right. Well, just get stuck at the end. Ugh.
You're gonna put marks on there.
I know.
The next time.
Oh my goodness. This is a little bit smaller though, actually. Yeah, slightly smaller. I guess those are the only fish here today. See, I have 2 circle hooks on my rig. I have a big one and a little one, but they're both circles, so I can't just hook a fish just by grabbing it hard. I need to kind of just gently pull into it. There was definitely some strikes here, but I don't think I got them the first time. Well, let's see. It's a little heavy. Let me pull it in a little bit. Oh, okay. Maybe I did take them. Yep. Okay. This feels a little heavier. Maybe it's a bigger toadfish. Oyster toadfish. Maybe it's a bigger one. It's stuck on something. Maybe it's not that bigger. A little bit more of a fight though. Slightly more of a fight. Still pretty light. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a small one again. Dang, it's gonna be the same fish, man. Toadfish number 3? Toadfish number 3, guys? Oh. No! Oh, catfish! Maybe not. Yeah, what the? Weak fish? Catfish? Whoa, look at this guy. Some sort of weak catfish? I don't know. Huh. Well, alright. Looks like... Oh, do you have a strong mouth? Can I lip ya? Can I lip ya? Maybe I can lip ya? Maybe not. Oh, you're so slimy. Alright. Got you out. Wonder what this is. Huh. Really small. Alright, buddy. Huh. Alright, 2 different species today. That was nice. Oh no, are you stuck on the same... Oh. Oh no, you're stuck on the same freaking... Oh, you're loose, finally. Better reel you in quick, whatever you are. Oh boy. Let's get some... Whoa, you're heavy. Whoa, you are really heavy. Are you... Oh, you're heavy. Oh, it's another one of these guys. Line gets all tangled up. I think it's a different one. Spots are slightly different. about like 12 inches maybe. Here. It's okay. Just noticed my plastic bag must have blown into the water. Gonna fish it out so that I don't litter. All right. Well, I think overall that was a pretty successful day. So I'm gonna pack it in, call it quits. All right. Okay, so today had a pretty good day. Caught 4 fish, 2 oyster toadfish, and then 2 that I'm not really sure what it was. Had whiskers like a catfish, but looked kind of like a, I don't know, some sort of, I don't know. I'll look it up, and then I'll try to put something on the video. But yeah, all in all, it was a pretty good day, and I got skunked yesterday, as I said, but today, beautiful day, beautiful fish. I think this might be another one. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna be catching these. Just, what is going on? These guys just are loving it today. Oh, it feels exactly like the other one I caught. Am I just catching the same one over and over again? No, the first one was slightly larger than the second. We'll see how big this one is. It doesn't feel big at all. Oh, you know why? Because I didn't catch anything. That's why. Oh yeah, it felt really small because there's nothing on it. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll make it feel small.